Good, Drew. Guys, get ready for your curls. Come on back with it. Let's go. Yep. Stay low. Get the momentum going. There you go, Drew. Through the finish. Good job. Go ahead, dude. Go ahead. Curls, guys. Get it up. Jump on it. Jump on it. Last thing. Rep it out. Come on. Come on, guys. Up. Nice. Come on. Don't save anything, guys. This is your last thing. Let's go, Harris. Come on. Up. Come on, Mark. Good.